Okay, so it's giving chaos, it's giving Lord, please stretch this money. Like 5 loaves and 2 fish energy. And we are doing it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kania, and today we are doing the summer grocery haul because these kids do not stop eating. Like, where does it go? Where is it going? You know what I'm saying? Like, this cart is about to be full, and we are hitting up Aldi's, we're hitting up Walmart and Dollar Tree today because I am on a budget and I am on a mission. And I'm also slightly unhinged, so buckle up. Okay, first things first, we gotta hit up the produce because if I don't grab the fruit first, I will forget it. And then somebody's going to ask me for a snack at 9 p.m. and I'm going to lose my mind. Okay. So we have to get some fruit. We have to get some apples, grapes, obviously, because these kids act like grapes are a personality trait. Okay. I also had to get some pudding because they like that too. Now, as y'all watch me go grocery shopping for these bad kids, I mean, hungry kids, let's go ahead and let me tell you what's been going on in my life while we shop. Okay, because it's been a lot and I feel like y'all need an update. Okay, so I am 28 and I decided that before I turned 30, I was not about to just be floating. Okay, like I looked up one day and I was like, sis, what are we doing? What is the plan? And I had to like really be honest with myself. Like I've been the queen of starting things and then life happens and I just stop. And I kept waiting to feel motivated, waiting for the sign, waiting for the right moment. These bags of chips that I'm looking at have way more structure than I did 6 months ago. And that's not okay. Okay, so we're in the freezer aisle, and I am looking at these eggs at Aldi's, and they are cheaper, definitely cheaper than Walmart. Okay, non negotiable on the eggs. Eggs are the backbone of this household. We have to get a lot of eggs scrambled, fried, hard boiled. We are eating eggs in every form this summer. Okay, but I also have to get the juice, it's for me. I also have to go ahead and get the ground turkey because chicken prices are still out here acting brand new. Sir, sir, brand new. But anyway, back to my life. So I started taking this whole thing seriously, like actually sitting down and writing out what I want. What kind of life do I want to build? What do I want my kids to see me do? And I realized I have more going for myself than I give myself credit for. Like I'm creative, I'm resourceful as heck. Like I feel like I get that from my mama, okay? I know how to stretch a dollar, okay? Clearly. And I have a story worth telling. So I'm building something. I can't say everything yet, but just know your girl is in build mode. Content, digital products, all of it. I'm treating my life like a business now. Shoot, ain't that what the rich people do anyway? Which sounds intense, but really it just means I have a notes app that actually is organized. Baby steps. Okay, so we're now at Dollar Tree. Aldi's had a few things, but we had to hit the Dollar Tree up because they are way cheaper. Okay, we gotta grab these snacks. This is where the budget gets emotional. Okay, I mean, stuff is cheap. We got juice boxes because apparently these kids need to be hydrated at all times, and or they turn feral. Okay. I gotta get the Kool-Aid from Walmart because it's summer and that's just the law. Okay. You cannot have a hot day without Kool-Aid. That's in a constitution. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. I'm grabbing stuff like granola bars and fruit snacks because Dollar Tree has these for $1, and I'm not paying Walmart prices when I don't have to. And let me just tell you, Dollar Tree for summer snacks is genuinely a cheat code. Like the kids don't know the difference, and that's the point. It's literally a beautiful day out. I'm finna go. My next store is Walmart. I'm headed there now. Stuff falling. But I picked up this Health Aid kombucha. This is the one I like. I don't know if they got any other ones, but this is the one I like. Oh, this is the passion fruit tangerine. I don't really like the tangerine, but it do its job. It tastes like, excuse me, like I'm drinking apple cider vinegar, but with a flavor. It gives like that type of taste to it. But this is the one I like to drink. I did try the apple one. I ain't like it. So this is getting me through. And it's really good when it's cold. Woo-wee! I love it when it's cold. So I'm gonna see y'all in Walmart. Also, another thing, I probably gotta go back to another. I'm gonna go to another Aldi's, and then I gotta go to another Dollar Tree because some of these Dollar Trees and Aldi's don't have everything. I don't know why, but yeah. So yeah, it feel good out here. It's hot. This is getting me through it. I swear it is. Thank you. How are you? Good. Thank you. On a budget though. You on a budget too. Right. So somebody literally, the guy at the place at the front, literally said, "Okay, look at Ridge." Period. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit of the day. It's so cute. That just made my day. Thank you. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm doing good. Finding everything all right? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, real talk, before I wrap this up, because I want this to be more than just a grocery video. I spent a long time feeling like I was behind, like everybody else had it figured out, and I was just existing, just surviving. And when you're in just survival mode, you don't have like space to dream. But something shifted for me, and I think it was when I stopped comparing my chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 10. I'm 28. I'm still figuring it out. I'm building something from scratch with very little, okay? Very little. But I'm building. And that's what matters. If you're watching this and you feel like you're late, you're not, okay? We're not. If I'm being honest with you, we ain't late, okay? Little hood came out. We ain't late, all right? You just haven't started yet. And starting messy is still starting. These kids I'm feeding, they're watching this. They're watching me. Okay. They see me every day and they see me trying. And that she showed up even when it was scary, even when it didn't happen or didn't make sense yet.
so this is the outfit of the day. There's freaking dogs out here. I'm gonna go because I just don't have time. Okay, I ain't trying to get ate up by no dog, so we gonna. This a bodysuit, and it came like this. I think this is really cute, but let's go home. I'm on my way home now, so we can unload this freaking car. But it is super hot out. I did get a compliment on my outfit twice. Well, one time, and then the guy at Walmart at the door, and then the lady, she asked where I got my shoes, and I was like, the gate, of course. But she was older, so I was just like, I don't know if she gonna understand how to do it, cause this ways around. You feel me? But yeah, I always get my stuff from the gate. All my designer bags, shoes, whatever I find on there, I get it from the gate. My mom got a purse from there. My brother has shoes from there. I get my stuff from there all the time. So yeah. Okay, so I said I was going to show y'all my outfit. So I have this scarf from my mama. It was free. And then these glasses from Shein, along with this bracelet here, this necklace, and these earrings. They kind of represent like Louis V. I tried to get a dupe or whatever. But yeah, so we got them from Shein. And then this watch here is my late uncle's watch. It don't work, but I just still wear it. Like, don't nobody know. So don't ask me what time it is if you see me out in the street, because I don't know. Okay. Like I said, this necklace from Shein. This purse and the shoes are from the gate. Okay. This is a bodysuit. It look like a tank top, but it's a bodysuit. And I got these linen pants, both from the Goodwill. Very cheap, affordable. It got pockets in the front and in the back. Cute. I look ski, but that's what we giving. It's giving that. Okay. But yeah, this is the look. I really like it. Yeah. So this how I was looking today. Running errands. Running errands. It's given. It's given. Period. So yeah. Now I'm about to go put these groceries up.
All right, y'all. I am back home, and that's the haul. We got Walmart, we got Dollar Tree, we got, all these. We got snacks for these kids, and we got a little therapy session in between. So I feel like this was a productive day. If you're new here, subscribe. I post cleaning vlogs, life updates, and apparently I have feelings in the snack aisle. Okay. So it's always a good time. Drop in the comments, what are your summer grocery staples? And also, are you in a building season right now too? Let me know. I want to hear from you. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.